Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mentor Rider Shruti. So this is the second part of my solo ride from Pune to Murdeshwar. Good morning guys.
So this is currently the hotel that I'm staying at.
Is our pepper.
I'll definitely give you a tour of the room, but then this is how the outside looks like. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, quite calm, beautiful, right? Yay! So I'm walking towards the temple now. Oh, this is the road. So I just had my breakfast and masala dosa.
So the place where I'm currently staying, temple is just 2 minutes away. So that's the reason I prefer to walk. This is how the front side looks. There are a lot of shops here and a good hotels as well where you can have breakfast, lunch. There's coffee shops as well if you want to buy something. I feel due to COVID, we see very less people out here. Or else I've heard that this temple is flooded with people. This is the first time I see that there are very less people out here. Yay, we finally reached.
This is how it looks from outside. So you need to go inside from here, and you can take the darshan. Then you can also go up, which is the 18th floor, which I already showed you guys.
We are on the 18th floor right now. Yoo-hoo! It's superb. I mean, look at the view, guys. So basically, what they have done is there is two windows, okay, on the 18th floor. From one, you can see Shiva statue, which I guess is the second tallest statue in India. And from the second one, you can see the complete beautiful sea view.
So you have to take a ticket, which is just of 10 rupees, and then they'll take you up. And once you are done seeing the view, then they'll take you down as well. It's peaceful inside. I mean, I would recommend everybody to come here at least once in your lifetime. This is a very beautiful place. It also has a beach, and that's beautiful too. So this is the entrance for the museum they have here. This is how the entrance looks like.
5 places where the Atmalinga got distributed when Ravana hit the Atmalinga. So now we are done seeing the museum. We'll be heading back to the room. So I'd come here in the morning and it's already 4 o'clock in the evening. So it's time for me to go to the room and take some rest.
So I slept off in the afternoon after taking the darshan. So now what I'm planning to do is I am planning to go out along with Pepper. In the morning I was just walking around, but then now I'm thinking of going outside with Pepper, and basically I will go near the temple again and the beach and click some pictures. Please ignore my eyes, it's damn swollen just because of no too much sleep, or else I might have not slept properly because of yesterday. I was too tired, so that is the reason. And yeah, so let's see how the evening goes. I'm hoping it goes well. I'm getting very less time to spend in Murdeshwar. It's a beautiful town and a lot of good people out there. I spoke to a lot of people while I was in the temple, and I also met few people who are from Kerala. How it went, but I enjoyed a lot. I haven't had my lunch yet. I had my breakfast and I was very full. Basically with south, it's too humid. It's not hot, it's not too cold, it is very humid, due to which you just want to drink a lot of water but not eat. So that's what has happened with me. But I kept receiving calls from my family, please go and eat something. So I'm gonna step out and eat something, and also let you guys know the story of Murdeshwar temple very soon. Take care, bye bye, see you soon.